Yo, what is up guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can send a message on TikTok. This is probably one of the easiest tutorials that I will ever do. So let's just get straight into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up TikTok. You'll be on your home page once you open up the app. Then to send a message on TikTok, you either need to find the person that you want to send a message to, or you need to know the username of a specific person. So for an example, if I tap on the discover option at the bottom, and then I search for my other account. So I'll search for my other account, but you would search for the account that you want to send the message to. And then you can see the account pops up there. Now, in order for the person to actually receive the message, you want to be following that person. So tap on the follow button, then you'll notice that the message button pops up. You can tap on the message button really quickly and it says messages cannot be sent since this user isn't following you. So they do need to actually follow you in order to send a message. So you want to reach out to that account and make sure that they're following you. So if, for example, if I type hey and then hit send, you'll notice that it has that little exclamation mark at the left hand side of the message, meaning that it wasn't sent. So make sure you're friends with the person and then you'll be able to message on TikTok. And that's the process. You can also message someone by tapping these three dots at the top right hand corner. And then you'll notice here you have the send message button that'll take you to the same screen and you can message them that way. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.